Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload high quality pictures on Facebook. So guys, if you want to upload high quality pictures on Facebook, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. First of all, you have to simply go to menu on Facebook, and then you have to simply enable HD uploads on your Facebook. So guys, for that you have to simply open menu and then go to settings. In order to enable HD uploads, you have to simply scroll it below and go to media. And if you see this button that is checked on data saver, then you have to simply check this to optimized. So as you can see this, if this is checked on data saver, then you have to simply check this to optimized, and then the HD uploads will be enabled on your Facebook first. So as you can see this, you have to simply enable photos in HD, and after this you have to simply resize your photos before uploading as well. So guys, resize your images to 2048 pixels. So guys, do this, and after this go for the next thing to do, that is you have to simply use JPG files with a maximum quality settings, or use PNG for graphics. So guys, simply upload or use JPG files with a maximum quality and use them and upload them on your Facebook. So guys, do this, and the next thing is that you have to simply use the native or original camera app on your iPhone to capture photos. So guys, you have to simply use your iPhone's camera or your other device's original camera, and then you have to simply take photos from that original camera. And the last thing to do is that you have to simply make it sure that you are using a strong internet connection. So I simply use a strong internet connection, and after this hopefully you will be able to upload high quality pictures on Facebook. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.